Are you interested in creating your own chatbot using AI? It may sound complicated, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of creating your own chatbot using various platforms. Let's get started. Part 1. Getting ready. 1. Open your browser. Just like when you're going to your favorite website, open up your browser. 2. Find the right site. Type POE into Google and click the first link that comes up. Part 2. Creating your account. 1. Sign up. To use all the cool features, you'll need to create an account. Just follow the instructions on the screen. 2. Sign in. Once you've got your account, sign in, and you'll see something called a dashboard. Part 3. Understanding the platform. 1. What it does. This platform lets you ask questions and get answers from robots called bots. 2. Exploring options. Look around and get to know the buttons and options. Part 4. Starting your custom chatbot. 1. Click Create Bot. Find the button that says Create Bot and click on it. 2. Fill in the details. You'll need to give your bot a special name and write a little about what it's going to do. 3. Follow the prompts. The website will ask you some questions. Just answer them the best you can. Part 5. Making your bot talk. 1. Write a greeting. You can write a nice greeting that your bot will say to people when they talk to it. 2. Add extra features. If you want, you can turn on things like suggested replies and even change how your bot looks. Part 6. Trying out your bot. 1. Click Create Bot. Once everything looks good, click on the Create Bot button. 2. Talk to your bot. You can have a conversation with your bot and see how it answers. 3. Share with friends. If you want others to talk to your bot, you can share it with them. Creating your own chatbot using AI is easier than you might think. With the right tools and a little bit of patience, you can create a chatbot that can answer questions and interact with users. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try and see what you can create.